Hello everyone! In today's video I'm going to go over how to create animation paths, as well as how to assign objects to the path and edit some of the properties and preview how our animation looks. So to get started, we're going to jump down to geographic area of interest. So we can go here to the eastern part of Florida. We're going to go to our tool menu, select polyline tool, and to start the animation we just click on a point on a map, and then we can keep clicking on the map to create multiple points. You can use the middle mouse button to zoom down and zoom out as you draw in the points. And then to finalize the animation, let's say when I finish here in Savannah, just double click. This brings up the time range editor, so we can enter the duration and the start and end of the animation. So let's say we'll make that 2 hours. Click OK. Now you see here that my path animation is created. It brings up the attribute editor, so we can change some of the properties, like give it a different name, assign a color, assign a model to follow the path along, like the F-35. As well as on the right side here under the tree editor, you can see the animation editor that shows all the plotted longitude and latitude points, and allows us to input the altitude. So we could do that here. We can set the altitude, let's say to 100,000. It's actually measured in meters, so it's 100,000 meters. And we'll do the same thing by copying that to the subsequent points, leaving the first and the last point at 0. And to preview what we made here, you can zoom out, click up here to preview 3D mode. So now we can see our path along with the altitude. We can see our object, follow the path along. Right. We can even edit some of the, let's say that edit some of the altitude here just to preview. Make that 150,000. Scrub that along. We can see the plane change altitude there. Back down. So we can even copy that for a few points or reset it. So now that we have the animation and we have everything plotted, we can jump back to the editor, and let's say we needed to edit a few points here. So you can click on the edit feature tool, and you'll see that as I drag my mouse along the path, it kind of snaps to different points. So this allows us to pick a specific point and, let's say, move it out of the way. As well as if we needed to create an additional in-between point, you just click right in between there and drag that. So now it has multiple points and more granularity. And again, we can just preview that here. And you can see the additional points that created in animation editor as well. That's all for today. Thank you, and see you soon.